Hey guys, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will show you how you can use a strong password, how that no one can guess what is your password, because in this era it's very risky to use any normal password. So we can get some strong password evidence from online. Okay, so what we have to do, we can just search on Google for a strong password generator. Okay, so if we click on this link, we can get some strong password like this, but we should not use the same password on everywhere. Like we can use, you definitely take this and use something also, included something also that is unguessable. So you can take this one, and like you can take this one and use this way. Okay, so this will be very strong password, so no one can guess. And you always use different password for different places, because it's very risky to use the same password for everywhere. So this is how you can generate a strong password for your security. So we can also select here number only and for symbol. This type of password is very strong, and if we use this, it's very strong password, no one can guess this. Okay, and don't just copy and paste, include something else like any symbol or any number also, so you can get more security. Okay, this is how you can set up generate a strong password. Thank you.